What does the symbol D represent in a hexadecimal number system? A 8, B 16, C 13, D 14. Correct answer C 13. The 2's complement of 5 is dash. A 1011, B 0101, C 1010, D 0011. Correct answer A 1011. What does BCD stand for? A bitwise coded decimal, B binary coded decimal, C binary converted decimal, D bitwise converted decimal. Correct answer B binary coded decimal. 1 zettabyte equal to dash. A 1024 TB, B 1024 EB, C 1024 ZB, D 1024 PB. Correct answer B 1024 EB. What could be the maximum value of a single digit in an octal number system? A 8, B 7, C 6, D 5. Correct answer B 7. Which of the following is not a positional number system? A Roman number system, B octal number system, C binary number system, D hexadecimal number system. Correct answer A Roman number system. The value of radix in binary number system is the A 2, B 8, C 10, D 1. Correct answer A 2. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 10 is dash. A 0010, B 10, C 1010, D 010. Correct answer C 1010. The input hexadecimal representation of 1110 is dash. A 0111, BE, C15, D14. Correct answer BE. Convert the binary equivalent 10101 to its decimal equivalent. A 21, B12, C22, D31. Correct answer A 21. Which of the following is not a decimal number? A 114, B 43.47, C 99.9A, D 10101. Correct answer C 99.9A. Select the incorrect option. A 101 base 10 equal to 11000101 base 2. BG is valid in hexadecimal system. CC represents 12. D the base of a decimal number system is 10. Correct answer B. G is valid in hexadecimal system. In a number system, each position of a digit represents a specific power of the base. A true, B false, C may be, D can't say. Correct answer A true. How is the number 5 represented in non-positional number system? A 5 times I, B 5, C capital V, D small v. Correct answer A 5 times I. A bit in a computer terminology means either 0 or 1. A true, B false, C may be, D can't say. Correct answer A true. The maximum number of bits sufficient to represent an octal number in binary is dash. 4, B3, C7, D8. Correct answer B3. The octal equivalent of 11001001.001010 is dash. A 624.12, B 145.12, C 154.12, D 145.21. Correct answer B 145.12. The binary number 111 in octal format is dash. A 6, B7, C8, D5. Correct answer B7. The octal equivalent of the binary number 001001010010 base 2 is dash. A 422, B 242, C 224, D 226. Correct answer C 224. Octal subtraction of 230 to base 8 from 417 base 8 will give dash. A 165, B 185, C 815, D 516. Correct answer A 165. A computer language that is written in binary codes only is dash. A machine language. B C, C C hash, D Pascal. Correct answer A machine language. The ones complement of 0.101 is dash. A 1.01, B 0.010, C 0.101, D 1.101. Correct answer A 1.01. Convert 5401 base 8 to hexadecimal. AA01, BA02, CB01, DC01. Correct answer C B01. Convert 22 base 8 into its corresponding decimal number. A 28, B18, C81, D82. Correct answer B18. Express the decimal format of the signed binary number 10010 base 2. A 2, B12, C-12, D-2. Correct answer D-2. ABC is a valid hexadecimal number. A true, B false, C may be, D can't say. Correct answer A true. The maximum number of bits sufficient to represent a hexadecimal number in binary. 4, B3, C7, D8. Correct answer A4. Convert 52 base 16 into its decimal equivalent. A 28, B83, C80, D82. Correct answer D82. The hexadecimal equivalent of the binary number 0010010100 base 2 is a 0B4, B0A4, C224, D0114. Correct answer C224. Hexadecimal addition of 3A5 base 16 and 1B2 base 16 will give a 165, B185, C815, D516. Correct answer A165. The 2's complement of 1 0.11. A 1 0. B 0.010. C 0 1.01. D 1 0.01. Correct answer A 1 0. Convert 653 to base 8 to hexadecimal. A 01. B A 02. C B 01. D C 01. Correct answer C B 01. What do we call the point decimal in any hexadecimal number of the form 111.83? A radix. B hexadecimal point. C decimal. D octal point. Correct answer B hexadecimal point. Perform BCD addition 2 plus 3 equal to dash. A 0010. B 0011. C 0101. D 1010. Correct answer C 0101. The LSB and MSB of 1 to 4 3 to 4 7 are dash and dash. A 1 and 7. B 4 and 7. C 7 and 1. D 4 and 1. Correct answer C 7 and 1.